Díobh agus fáilte arás go gaeilge and mochroigaeilge. Hello and welcome back to Irish in my heart. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. So today we are going to look at some linking words in Irish. 30 linking words to be precise. We have 7 categories. An chéad Ord Sequence. An dara Toradh Result. Toradh. An tríú Béim Emphasis. Béim. Not Béim, the guy with the mask. Béim. Cuireadh Addition. Cuireadh. An cúireadh Fáth Reason. Fáth. An séú Sampla. Example. Sampla. An seachtú Codarsnacht Contrast. Codarsnacht. I always love that word. It sounds really funny. Codarsnacht. It's like smacked or something. And I was wrong. There is 8 categories. An Athbhliain Comparáid Comparison. Comparáid. Let's get started with the words. So first up is Ord Sequence. First of all, an chéad dul síos. That literally translates to on the first go down, which sounds more fun than first of all. On the first go down. First. On the first go down. It all goes downhill from here. An dara dul síos. Second of all. An tríú dul síos. Third of all. And they're all the same for firstly, secondly, thirdly. I just counted them as one word or phrase because all I'm doing is just changing the number. So it's the same thing. The second and only other one I have in Ord Sequence category is finally. Faoi dhearú. Now to emphasize it a little bit more. Faoi dhearú hir hall. So it kind of just emphasizes more the finality of it. Anish. Toradh Result. What happens now? Mar horú as a result. Mar horú. Mochroigaeilge as a consequence of. Mochroigaeilge. De war, due to. De war, mar sin, therefore. Mar sin. I just realized that is literally Martian. Da rare sin, not da bhrí sin. Consequently, da rare sin. Da bhrí sin. Béim Emphasis. I can't help but think of Béim, like his face literally pops into my head.
We're in Irish here, not in Gotham.
Gan ain a go, without a doubt, or undoubtedly. Gan ain a go. You might also see gan áras, no gan duit. Noi, obviously. Noi. Codarsnacht, especially. Codarsnacht. Cuireadh, in fact. Cuireadh. Go solier, clearly. Go solier. Moving swiftly on to Cuireadh Addition. When you're adding to your point, you're not done yet. Gotta hammer it home. Here's some words or phrases you need to know. August. And. Extremely basic one, but you know what? Important to know. Mhaise. Furthermore. Or as well as that. That's the literal translation. Mhaise. As well as that, which is what furthermore means.
We're just not as fancy in Irish.
For also, you can just say chomai. You can say freshen or fosta. 5th category, Fáth Reason. Mar, because. This can also mean as or like. Mar. Means since. So it means since in the sense of since last year. But you can also use it like if you're making a point. For example, it's just mar Sampla, and that's the same for instance. Mar Sampla. Such as, there's a few different ones you can use. Cosúile, owl, Athbhliain. Cosúile, owl, Athbhliain. San Arav, including. San Arav. Codarsnacht Contrast. However. Afach. Athbhliain. Mar Sinn Féin, nonetheless. Mar Sinn Féin. Ach, but, yet. Ach. Cé even though. Cé in anon, despite. In anon. An lab ella. On the other hand, an lab ella. Mar an Géine, similarly. Mar an Géine. Nos, like. Nos. Dala, just as. Dala. Agus an Chiondearna, the last one. Ní Hawain. Not only. Ní Hawain. So sin é. Seo éid na Focail Nasctha atá agam. Those are the linking words that I have for you today in Irish. Now you know how to stall in Irish. Mas mianla níos mochroigaeilge a ólam, lá mhaise Instagram. Gaeilge mochroigaeilge on Instagram. I post about 4 times a week with vocab, verbs, phrases. I also post on my story talking in Irish a little bit. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below letting me know if you learned something new or what's your new favourite linking word in Irish. Thank you so much to my wonderful patrons. For just €3 you can get early access to YouTube videos, and for €5 you can get early access and be a part of fortnightly group chats in Irish. If you would like to become a patron, the link is in my description. Gura míle maigid agus slán leat.
Today. Take a deep breath. You can do it.
An true. I didn't even realize that before. Martian? Similarly, you learn something new every day.